It's cooking with Laquavia. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laquavia. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm cooking because, you know, quarantine life. So today I'm cooking. I'm gonna make a salad. So if you ever had Salata, like I'm obsessed with the salad that I get there. I get a chicken pesto salad and I add in the pasta, bacon. I like the chipotle ranch and the buttermilk ranch with carrots and cucumbers. It's so good. So I wanted to try and make it on my own. So yeah, let's taken some strips of chicken breast and cut them up and dice them, and I put them in my air fryer and just kind of season my chicken, and it tastes so good, spicy, love it. And that's, hopefully this is enough for me to eat tonight for dinner and for me to bring a lunch to work tomorrow. So now I'm gonna cook the pasta. I have some bow tie noodles, and it's so freaking good. It was so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the bow tie noodles. And I'm going to, I don't have any carrots, but I have some cucumbers. So I'm chop up some cucumbers and also add some purple onion in it too. Make some bacon. Let's make the salad. Hopefully it comes out good. Okay, so I went ahead and chopped up some purple onion. Oops, this is not the onion. I chopped up some cucumbers, chopped up some purple onion. I actually made some homemade ranch last night. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna use this bacon from Target. Picked up some pesto sauce, and this is just a Parmesan and cheese I'm gonna use for toppings, and this is the lettuce that I got from Target. So let me go ahead and do the pesto chicken. Okay, so I got the pot boiling for the pasta. Let me put some salt in there. Just gonna add a little bit of salt. Ooh, that's a lot. Just so it can help it boil. We're getting ready to saute the chicken in pesto sauce. So I'm gonna take the chicken, and just dump it in here. And take a spoonful of the pesto sauce and just put it in, and then just kind of stir it up. I think I'm gonna add one more spoonful. Just kind of saute that for a bit, stirring it up. That's probably too much, but it should work for me for tomorrow. So everything is cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and do the mixture of the salad. So let me prop you guys right here. I'm gonna take this bowl that I got here from Target, and I'm gonna go ahead and take out some lettuce. I'm gonna make enough for me to eat tomorrow for my lunch as well, so I'm gonna do like an extra bit. Probably the rest of this though, but we'll save it for lunch, for dinner, for when I got off work. So this is not a lot. This will be enough for me to eat for tonight for dinner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in some of my cucumbers. I'm gonna mix in some of my chopped onion. I've been loving onion lately. I don't know why, but I've been loving onion. Then I'm gonna I like to season my lettuce too. I'm kind of weird. I like to season it with some cayenne. I'm gonna take some black pepper. And just some Cajun like seasoned salt. That's it. Make sure your hands are clean. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds under hot water. And I like to mix. It's super quick and easy. I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle. I'm gonna take some like regular, this is triple cheese. probably too much cheese, but whatever. And then I'm gonna take some of this bacon. I just got the already cooked from Target here. I'm gonna take like maybe 2 or 3 strips and just sprinkle that on to my salad. Bacon, and just break it up and just mix it in. Fun fact, I just started eating bacon, I wanna say like a year or 2 ago. Like I used to be so disgusted with bacon. I'm like, who eats bacon? But now like I love bacon. Bacon makes everything better. And then I'm gonna just toss the salad again. Just making sure everything's mixed. And now we're gonna wait for the chicken's already done, just gonna wait for the pasta. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned up everything right here. So I got my pre-made salad already and my homemade dressing. I think it tastes really good. So if I say so myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken and put a little bit of the chicken on here. Taking that. And I do want to get some of that extra pesto sauce, and put it in as well, because I feel like that just gives it more taste. And I'm going to save this for my lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to shake it up a little bit just to get that meat everywhere. I need to find a bowl with a lid just so it'll be easier to do like my shake. And here is the pasta. It's done. I have like the mini noodles, and I feel like they season their noodles with like black pepper, so I'm gonna put some black pepper in here. I'm gonna put some olive oil just so because I'm gonna have some of this for my lunch for tomorrow. So I'm going to put some olive oil in here as well, and then just let them chill in a plastic container for at least like 5 minutes. Just let them chill a little bit. Olive oil. Pour the pasta in here. You just put it lid. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for 5 minutes, and then we'll have our complete salad. Okay, so we let the pasta kind of cool off in the refrigerator. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the pasta and just sprinkle it on here. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna take my homemade dressing, and I'll show you guys what I used. I literally just use this and just follow the directions on the back. I'm actually gonna be making this in a couple of days. So if you want me to film this is the recipe here, I will. Just let me know in the comments down below. And just take some of my dressing and just kind of put it on. Not like too much, just, you know, just enough. Or however much you want. I'm gonna put some more black pepper. I love black pepper and cayenne pepper, I just love it. And then just kind of toss it a little bit. Okay, and voila, that's my salad. Let's do a taste test. Let's see, let's do a taste test. This lighting is so horrible. Okay, let's see. Let me try to get everything in one bite. So chicken, let me get some bacon. This is so good. That salad was so freaking good. I demolished it. Like, I kind of want to make another one, but I need to save it for work. So, but it was so freaking good, y'all. It was so good. Okay, guys, that was my quick and easy salad video. Like, I don't know if you noticed, but I low-key filmed this on Snapchat because I always post like food content on Snapchat, but I don't know why I've never uploaded it on YouTube, which is like really crazy to me. But I wanted to you know, just try out new content and see what you guys think. Let me know down below if you like this kind of content, because that's what I watch on YouTube, is just like cooking videos and people organizing. So I'm so old. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you like this kind of content. Let me know down below what else you guys would want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.